Hello guys, my name is Dedan, your all-time financial advisor. Today we are going to look at how you can invest in the stock market, how you can buy shares and other commodities available in the stock market. Stock market basically is an electronic marketplace where people buy and sell shares. Stock market allows people to invest in companies by selling shares and also companies to raise money by selling shares to investors. A share in simple terms means a unit of ownership in a company. The Nairobi Securities Exchange is the official market in Kenya where people buy and sell shares. Why do you need to buy these shares? How will you benefit? One benefit is that you'll benefit by the share price. Let us use a hypothetical example. Safaricom share is currently trading at around 29 shillings per share. If you buy Safaricom shares today, you'll be predicting that the share price will increase. This is based on your analysis because when you buy, you predict that the prices will go up. That's when you enter into a buy trade. If you buy 1,000 shares of Safaricom today, after some time the price goes up to 35 shillings per share. You will have made a profit of 35 shillings minus 29 shillings, which gives you a profit of 6 shillings per share. The total profit you'll get from 1,000 shares will be 6 multiplied by 1,000, giving you a profit of 6,000. I've used Safaricom share because it has a very interesting story. Safaricom share, the first IPO means initial public offer, was in the year 2008. The IPO price was 5 shillings per share. After some time, when the first day to be traded in the Nairobi Securities Exchange it was trading at a price of around 7.5 at a price of 7.5 shillings, which that is an increase from IPO of around 50%. After some time, after several weeks, the price gone down to around the IPO price. This was the most traded IPO with an oversubscription of over 500%. The Safaricom share right now, the Safaricom share is trading at around 29 shillings, and the IPO was 5 shillings. So the person who bought around 100 shares of Safaricom during the IPO at a price of 5 shillings, and the current price now is around 29 shillings. You can do your mathematics and see the profit he has made from that investment. In the stock market, you can minimize the loss or even benefit when the price drops by entering into futures contract in the derivatives market. The derivatives market was first launched in Kenya in the year 2019. We will discuss more about derivatives market in another video. The second benefit that you get when you invest in shares is earning dividends. When a company declares profit, either annually or semi-annually, they share those profits with investors. That is what we call dividends. When a company makes loss, you don't earn dividends because you are part of the ownership of the company. If the company makes profit, you earn profit, they share profit. If they make loss, they share loss with you. When deciding which share to buy or which company to invest in, you should do your analysis very well. The difference between investing and gambling: investing, you put your money into something that you have done research, and you have a long-term plan to grow with it. While gambling is risking your money, hoping for a quick win. Before buying a share, you should do a comprehensive research on the company's financial stability, innovations, technological advancements, and be certain that the company you are investing, you really want to grow with that company. You want that company to grow with your money. From the market, you have to you have to buy through a licensed stockbroker. A broker is the middleman between you and the market. All the brokers in Kenya are regulated by the Capital Market Authority. You can check a list of all the licensed stockbrokers in the Capital Market Authority's website. When choosing which broker to invest with, you can choose a broker that you can try to look at the broker who has an online trading platform. This will allow you to trade online instead of visiting the office. Also, you should check the brokerage fee. The brokerage fee in Kenya is around 1.5% to 2.1% of the trade value. The trade value means if you want to buy shares worth 1 million, the brokerage fee will be, assuming the broker that you have chosen has a brokerage fee of 1.5%. If you buy shares worth 1 million, the brokerage fee will be 1 million multiplied by 1.5%, which will be around 20,000. Every time you want to buy or sell shares, they deduct a brokerage fee. A broker also should offer advisory services. They should advise you on which shares to buy. You can walk in to your broker, consult them which is the best share to buy based on your needs. They are supposed to offer those advisory services. When buying shares, you need to have a CDSC account. A CDSC account in simple terms means a bank account for shares. This is where all your shares will be deposited after you have bought. It is the same as a bank account. It is the bank account for shares. When you open a bank account and deposit money into the bank, they will deposit the money into your bank account, the same as CDSC account. When you open a CDSC account and start buying shares, when you buy your shares, they will deposit your shares into your CDSC account. The stock market is an auction market. There are no fixed prices. This means the market is dynamic. It reacts to the forces of demand and supply. And that's how the price is determined. Prices in the stock market is determined by the forces of demand and supply. This basically means as more people wants to buy a particular share, its price will go up. And when more people are willing to sell a particular share, the price goes down. The daily prices are published in the Nairobi Securities Exchange website. You can download the daily prices in the Nairobi Securities Exchange. Continue watching as we will discuss more about derivatives market, how you can trade derivatives in the Nairobi Securities Exchange, and other financial investments available. We will also discuss more about trading boards, trading T-bills, and I hope you learn and make investments that will benefit you now and in future. Let's see you in another video.